What is discipline? Discipline is when you don't feel like it, but you do it anyway. Discipline is when you are tired. You want to turn off the alarm and sleep in, but you get your ass up and do what needs to be done. Discipline is honoring the commitments you have made to yourself. Discipline is when you do what you do not want to do now, so you can get what you do want in your life later on. Discipline is something very few people have.
Too tired, too hard, too busy, too early, too stressed. No excuses. Too tired, no excuses. Too hard, no excuses. Too busy, no excuses. Too early, no excuses. Too stressed, no excuses.
You can grow. You can become whatever you want.
I'm sick of talkers. I'm sick of people that talk about how bad they want to change. They talk about how bad they want their dream, but their actions tell me a different story. Some of you say you want this life, but your actions tell me it's fourth in line, fifth in line, sixth, seventh, eighth in line. You want it real bad, but only when it's easy. You want it real bad, but when it gets hard, you're out. Every time you put your dream on the back burner, you're burning your dream alive. Your dream is slowly dying. You have to make that life you want a priority. You said you wanted this life, so you have to show that you want this life. You show that you want it only through your actions. You show you want it by putting it first, by putting in the hours, by making sacrifices, by doing the things that are uncomfortable today so you can have a comfortable tomorrow, by doing the things that are not easy so your future is easy, by saying no to the things you know you have to so you can live your dream in the future. This world is full of talkers. Be a walker. Be one of the few who delivered, under promise and over deliver.